Let's unpackage these Utopia bath towels and see if they actually live up to all the hype. Right out of the package, these feel really soft. They're 100% ring-spun cotton and they're designed to be ultra absorbent. They also have this double stitched hem, which is really good for ultra durability. Each towel measures 27 by 54 inches, so they're a great size. You can see that they stretch right across my kitchen table. So they're big enough to wrap around yourself comfortably, but they're not too bulky. Let's see how absorbent these towels really are. I just wet my wrist and just to see, is the water gonna push it around or is it really gonna absorb the water on my arm? It worked great. I would say for a set of 4 premium bath towels, they're a really great value. They're soft, they're absorbent, and they're perfect for everyday use. If you're looking for affordable quality towels, these are definitely some that you should check out. I was even more impressed than I thought I would be, especially fresh out of the dryer.